How to turn on or turn off calendar in customized apps to get sticker recommendations on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and from here, tap on General Management. After that, scroll down, then tap on Customization Service. And from here, we scroll down and tap on Calendar. Tap on the Calendar toggle button to switch it off or turn on Calendar in customized apps. Once this is turned on, you can get sticker recommendations when adding events. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.